Hey guys, Stuart here with just a quick update from DPS. We will be doing our first outdoor classrooms. So this will be a couple of hours of theory, well, about an hour of theory, and about 3 hours of practical work. Our first one is an introduction to landscape photography that takes place in Wicklow, and it's basically on site. We'll sit down, we'll talk for an hour about the theory and the different settings that we need, what we need to do to change our cameras, etc., etc., and then we'll put that into immediate application in a stunning location in Wicklow. So check out the website. The first one is on July 11th, and then the following one is on July 25th. There for 4 hours, and we hope that you guys would have a ball of a time with us here. And it's the same stuff that we've been doing for a long time, except it's got much more of an outdoor and practical application immediately. So we're just kind of making the most of the summer and making the most of this what we can do in the pandemic at the moment. And this is going to be a great way to continue on our courses in the meantime. So check out our website, dublinphotographyschool.ie, for more details, or check us out on Instagram where you can pick up any of the details. And I hope to see you soon.